Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of storage with the Patriot Viper VP4300 SSD. Let's see if this SSD lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about performance. The Patriot Viper VP4300 utilizes PCIe Gen 4x4 NVMe technology, promising lightning-fast speeds. And boy, does it deliver! With sequential read speeds of up to 7,400 megabytes per second and sequential write speeds of up to 6,800 megabytes per second. This SSD blazes through data transfers and gaming installations. Now, one of the standout features of the Patriot Viper VP4300 is its versatility. Whether you're a PC gamer or a PlayStation 5 owner, this SSD has got you covered. It's fully compatible with Sony's latest gaming console, allowing you to seamlessly expand your storage and dive into your favorite games without skipping a beat. But what about real-world performance? Well, during my testing, I found that the Patriot Viper VP4300 excels in write-intensive tasks, making it perfect for gamers and creatives alike. While its reading speeds may not be the fastest compared to some competitors, its robust endurance rating of 2000 TBW and 5-year warranty ensure that this SSD is built to last. Speaking of longevity, let's talk about design. The Patriot Viper VP4300 comes equipped with two heat shield options, an aluminum heat shield and a graphene heat shield. Not only do these heat shields help dissipate heat and keep your system running cool, but they also add a touch of style to your gaming rig. In conclusion, the Patriot Viper VP4300 SSD offers a winning combination of performance, versatility, and longevity. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a content creator, this SSD is sure to meet your needs and then some. So, if you're in the market for a high-performance storage solution that won't let you down, look no further than the Patriot Viper VP4300. And that wraps up our review of the Patriot Viper VP4300 SSD. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.